How to wash curtains. Have you ever noticed how your curtains slowly lose their brightness over time? Dust, moisture, and everyday air pollution make them dull and lifeless. But washing curtains isn't just about looks, it's also about keeping your home fresh and healthy. Today, we'll show you exactly how to wash your curtains the right way, whether they're cotton, polyester, or delicate fabrics. You'll learn how to check the label, remove dust before washing, choose the right cleaning method, and dry them properly without wrinkles. By the end of this video, your curtains will look as good as new, smell fresh, and brighten up your entire room. Let's begin with the first step, checking your curtain's fabric type. Welcome to Best Choices. How to wash curtains. Number 1. Can you wash curtains with metal hooks in the washing machine? It depends on the material, but you'll need to remove the hooks first. Before you do anything, take a look at the tag on the curtain to see if they're dry clean only. Many curtains are made out of washable fabric, but you'll need to remove any hooks attached to the grommets, which are the small eyelets or holes at the top of the curtains. Simply slide the hooks out of the grommets and set them aside so you can replace them when the curtains are clean. If the tag says dry clean only, well, the curtains need to be dry cleaned in order to avoid damaging the fabric. If the tag doesn't say how you can wash the curtains, try looking them up online on the manufacturer's site to see if they list any instructions. Some curtains may have weights attached to the bottom to keep them hanging straight that also need to be removed. Number 2. Can you wash curtains with grommets in a washing machine? Yes, as long as the hooks, rings, or pins are removed. In fact, most curtains have grommets. They're what helps hold the curtains onto the curtain rods. It's totally fine to wash curtains with grommets in the washing machine, as long as you set your machine to the delicate wash cycle, which will help prevent potential damage. Number 3. What settings should I machine wash my curtains on? Machine wash the curtains on the cold water and delicate cycle. If the curtains aren't dry clean only, you can toss them into a standard washing machine to give them a good cleaning. Set the water temperature to the coldest possible setting and choose the delicate spin cycle to avoid damaging or warping the material. Try shaking out the curtains outside to remove some of the dust first. Using regular detergent can help clean your curtains. Number 4. Can curtains with grommets go in the dryer? Yes, but they need to be dried on a low heat setting. The curtains, in general, need to be dried on a low heat setting to avoid damaging or discoloring the material. Grommets are often made of metal, so it's especially important that you machine dry them on low heat so they don't heat up and potentially singe the fabric of the curtains. Number 5. How do you freshen dry clean only curtains? Wipe them down with a damp chamois cloth. Curtains made out of specialty fabrics such as velvet are delicate, but you can still spruce them up in between dry cleanings. Take a chamois cloth, which is a special leather material, dip it in hot water, and wring it out really well so there isn't any excess liquid. Gently wipe down the curtains to remove any dust and dirt from the material without risking any damage or discoloration. When the chamois cloth gets really dirty, submerge it in the hot water and wring it out again before you continue wiping down the curtains. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Tips. 1. Use the soft brush attachment of your vacuum cleaner or a long-handled broom with synthetic fibers to dust your curtains regularly, which can help keep them clean between washes. Warnings. 1. If you aren't sure if your curtains are safe to wash, take them to a dry cleaner to avoid potentially damaging or discoloring them, especially if they're delicate antiques. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no.